You must have heard about Gautam Adani, successful businessman with a Midas touch. Everything he touches turns into gold. In the last few years, he has attained a lot of milestones. In terms of money, he has made tons of it. If you look at the recent report of Bloomberg Billionaire Index, you will be shocked. Adani has earned more than $21 billion in just 3 months of this year. Compared to this, the richest person in the world, Elon Musk, has earned just $1.1 billion in the same period. So if Adani continues to earn money at a similar pace, then very soon he will become the richest person in the world. Well, you would be intrigued by now. You might be wondering, has he got some ancient treasure or something like that? So the point is, Adani's crown jewel is his company, Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone. Now you may ask, what does that company do? You might also wish what it would feel like if you can get a piece of his wealth. The point is, you can also hop on in this ride and make some money. But first, let us tell you the company's story. Then you can decide what you want to do.
So it's time to begin the story of Adani Ports. First, let us understand a few things about the company. What is the company's business and how big is it? Adani Ports is a company that runs the biggest port and SEZ. The company operates a total of 13 ports and terminals in Mundra, Dahej, Hazira, Ennur, Kattupalli, Visakhapatnam, Kandla and Mormugao. The company handles coal, crude containers, fertilizers, agri-products, steel and project, edible oil, chemical and automobile cargoes. With 56 crore ton capacity, it has 28.6% share in export-import volume and 42.6% container market share. The company also runs 3 logistics parks in Patli of Haryana, Kila Raipur of Punjab and Kishangarh of Rajasthan. The company is looking to dominate the integrated ports and logistics sector.
Now let us look at the history of the company. On the 26th of May 1998, Gujarat Adani Port Limited (GAPL) was set up to create a private port in Mundra. During that time, the company got a 30-year rights from the government of Gujarat to develop the port. After reaching various milestones in business, the company went public in 2007. The size of the IPO was 1,771 crore rupees at the share price of 440 rupees per share. Right from its listing, this stock created shockwaves. On listing, the share touched a high of 1,150 rupees and this stock closed at 961.7 rupees. Well, that's when Adani's fortune changed, and along with him, it changed the fortune of many investors. Yes, but one thing created problems for the company for a long period of time. It was the Carmichael mine in Australia. In 2010, Adani Group bought the Galilee coal project for $2.7 billion. This was a huge investment. After that, in May, Adani Port bought Abbott Point Coal Terminal for $2 billion. From 2011 to 2017, there were a lot of hassles regarding Adani's entry into Australia. Banks also took back their support. But everything got sorted by 2019. Carmichael deal got approved and the project started running. This was about the business of a company. Now let us talk about your pockets. Will you get good returns by investing in this company? So first of all, let us look at the performance of the stock. Share of Adani Ports is close to its 52-week high. From March 2020, this stock has given a 313% return. If we compare it with other companies of the sector, then Adani Port looks very strong. From return on equity to cash and operating margin, the company is better than its competitors. The only negative is that the company has a debt of 34,941 crore rupees. Now let us look at the triggers behind a massive rally in the company's stock. Well, let us look at these points. In 2031, the concession period of Mundra Port will be over. In 12 to 18 months, none of the promoters' shares may remain pledged. In 1 year, proportion of pledged shares came down from 50% to less than 10%. Fall in receivables from other group companies, that is, related party transaction. Placed bid for 30.8% share in Concord, in which it will also get management control. Exim volumes are expected to increase due to Sagarmala, Gati Shakti scheme, Atmanirbhar Bharat and PLI schemes of the government. Due to all these factors, brokers are also recommending to buy the stock. Money9 suggests, Now comes the most important point and Money9's suggestion. So Adani Port is near its 52-week high. It would be better to wait until the stock cools down. You should also consult your financial advisor before taking any decision.